Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. We bring you the latest and greatest updates from the automotive world. If you're a fan of powerful trucks that blend rugged capability with modern technology, you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into the 2025 GMC Canyon, a mid-size truck that's making waves in the industry with its impressive upgrades, performance enhancements, and cutting-edge features. Whether you're considering buying one or just love staying up to date with the latest trucks, stick around because we've got everything you need to know. So, let's not waste any time and jump straight into what makes the 2025 GMC Canyon a serious contender in the mid-size truck segment. Exterior design styling. GMC has really stepped up its game with the new Canyon, giving it an aggressive, bold, and modern look. The front grille is larger and more imposing than ever, with a strong, chiseled design that immediately screams power. Depending on the trim level, you'll get different grille designs, but all of them feature the signature GMC look with bold horizontal bars and a massive logo in the center. The LED headlights are sleek and sharper, giving the truck a high-tech, futuristic appearance. These headlights come with standard daytime running lights that extend into the grille, creating a unique and instantly recognizable front profile. Moving down, the red tow hooks on certain trims like the AT4X add a rugged and adventurous feel, hinting at the off-road capabilities of this beast. From the side, the 2025 GMC Canyon maintains its muscular stance with prominent wheel arches and sculpted body lines. It comes with new wheel designs, ranging from 17-inch all-terrain wheels to massive 20-inch options for those who want a more refined, street-friendly look. The side mirrors have been slightly reshaped for better aerodynamics, and some trims even come with integrated cameras to assist with towing and parking. At the back, the tailgate gets a fresh design, with C-shaped LED taillights that match the headlights. GMC has also included an optional multi-pro tailgate, making it even easier to access the bed and use it for work or recreation. Plus, if you love tailgating, the available built-in Bluetooth speakers in the tailgate are a game changer. Performance engine options. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because that's where things get exciting. The 2025 GMC Canyon continues to be powered by a 2.7 liters turbocharged inline-4 engine, but don't let that smaller displacement fool you. This engine packs a serious punch. It delivers 310 horsepower and a massive 430 pounds-to-feet of torque, which means you get plenty of power for towing, off-roading, and everyday driving. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and efficient power delivery. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough trails, the Canyon is designed to handle it all with ease. If you're someone who needs a truck for towing, you'll be happy to know that the 2025 Canyon boasts a maximum towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds when properly equipped. That's more than enough to haul a trailer, boat, or even a small camper for weekend adventures. The off-road focused AT4X trim takes things to the next level with a factory 2-inch lift, 33-inch mud-terrain tires, and Multimatic DSSV dampers, a technology borrowed from high-performance off-road race trucks. This setup allows for insane articulation and stability, whether you're climbing rocky trails or blasting through desert dunes. Interior technology. Stepping inside the 2025 GMC Canyon, you'll immediately notice a more premium and tech-forward cabin. GMC has gone all in with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an ergonomic design that makes the truck feel both rugged and luxurious. The centerpiece of the interior is the massive 11.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that comes standard across all trims. This system runs on GMC's latest UI, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant, and a high-resolution navigation system. It's super responsive, and the graphics look crisp and modern. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find a fully digital 11-inch driver display, which can be customized to show different information. From navigation to off-road performance metrics, higher trims also offer a 15-inch heads-up display, projecting key information onto the windshield so you can keep your eyes on the road. For audiophiles, the available Bose premium sound system delivers an immersive listening experience. Whether you're blasting music on the highway or enjoying a podcast during your commute, the seats are comfortable and supportive, with heated and ventilated options available for both the driver and passenger. GMC also offers premium leather upholstery on higher trims, making the Canyon feel more upscale than ever. The rear seats provide ample legroom for passengers, and the crew cab configuration ensures a spacious, family-friendly environment. Safety driver assistance. GMC has packed the 2025 Canyon with a suite of advanced safety features, making it one of the safest mid-size trucks on the market. Standard across all trims is the GMC Pro Safety Package, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. For those who want even more security, higher trims come with Super Cruise, GMC's hands-free driving system for highways. This feature allows you to drive without touching the steering wheel on pre-mapped highways, making long trips much more comfortable. Another game changer is the 360-degree camera system, which provides a bird's eye view of your surroundings, perfect for navigating tight spaces or off-road obstacles. Trim levels pricing. GMC offers the 2025 Canyon in multiple trims, catering to different needs and preferences. Here's a quick breakdown. Elevation. At the base model with solid tech and capability. AT4A off-road focused with rugged styling and enhanced suspension. Deanly at the luxury-oriented trim with premium materials and advanced tech. AT4X at the ultimate off-road beast with hardcore upgrades. Pricing starts at around $38,000 for the elevation trim, while the fully loaded AT4X Edition 1 can reach over $55,000. Final thoughts. The 2025 GMC Canyon is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-size trucks on the market. With its powerful engine, rugged design, off-road capability, and tech-packed interior, it's a truck that can handle work, adventure, and daily driving with ease. Whether you need a dependable workhorse or a weekend warrior, the new Canyon has something for everyone. So, what do you think about the 2025 GMC Canyon? Would you pick this over competitors like the Toyota Tacoma or Ford Ranger? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest cars and trucks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.